printing is not as crazy as it sounds. If you eat anything that's packaged food, you're practically already eating 3D printed food already. So some say 3D printed food is a novelty, and it can be. You can print the odd shapes or the beautiful shapes, but it's also a necessity. 3D food printing allows people to use localized sources of food. It's real, proper food that you have control over. Plus, it helps to lower food waste. Why have food that may look ugly? We all heard of the ugly fruit and vegetable concept. Take it and print it and keep those foods in our food chain. It's not to be wasted. We believe in the future 3D food printers will become a normal household kitchen appliance because it enables people to get away from becoming over-reliant on those packaged foods we see in every supermarket with aisles and aisles of food. I can actually take those foods, replicate them in my home with a 3D food printer using my own ingredients, so I'm in control. It's my ingredients, and that's a healthy proposition for everybody.